This one ingredient is enough to make this trick work wonders. Start by peeling a large orange. You'll only need the orange peel, so enjoy the fruit and save the peel. Place the orange peel in a pot and pour in 500 milliliters of water. Simmer these two ingredients on low heat for a few minutes and bring the mixture to a boil. Next, add a few tablespoons of salt and some baking soda. Continue simmering the mixture for a few minutes. Once done, remove the pot from the stove and let it cool. Meanwhile, in a separate container, pour a small amount of dish soap and a measure of vinegar. Carefully add the cooled orange peel mixture to the container with vinegar. As the two mixtures combine, you'll notice a foaming effect. This is the result of the ingredients reacting together. Prepare a bucket with warm water and add the freshly combined orange and vinegar mixture. This solution works perfectly as a cleaner for laminate floors, and the orange peel leaves your home with a delightful citrus fragrance. Stains and dirt on walls will disappear in seconds. Wondering how? This trick removes wall stains effortlessly. It only takes a moment, and the result will exceed your expectations. When stains appear on white walls, don't worry. Instead of repainting, you'll start using this trick. I'll show you a way to remove them in just a few seconds. You need fabric softener for this. With its help, your problems will vanish. Prepare a small bowl. Use the fabric softener cap as a measuring cup. Pour 4 capfuls of water into the bowl. Add 1 capful of fabric softener. Mix everything to get a uniform consistency. Now, take a microfiber cloth, soak it in the mixture and wipe the stain on the wall. Follow the steps shown in the video. Just wipe the stained areas with this solution. The effect is amazing. After a few moments of wiping, the stain will disappear. There won't be any trace of the stain left. The wall will dry quickly, and you'll forget the stains or dirt were ever there. Pour this into a bucket. This trick will give you shiny, spotless floors that are so clean you could eat off them. Your floor will finally shine like a mirror. To make the best floor cleaner, start by separating the flowers from dried lavender. Grind the lavender flowers into powder. Put the lavender powder into a glass and pour boiling water over it. Let it steep. After a few minutes, strain the mixture into a jug to remove the lavender pieces. Add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of salt to the strained liquid. Mix everything well and pour it into the cleaning bucket. With this trick, your floor will be cleaner than ever. Mop every room, and your floor will shine without using chemicals. You won't see a single streak. Put a sock on a broom and save yourself time and money with this clever trick. Start with a regular broom and a sock that easily fits over the broom's bristles. Then, grab some fabric softener. This household item has a surprising alternative use. Pour a small amount of fabric softener onto the sock and spread it evenly across the entire surface, making sure to soak both sides. This prepared broom will become a household lifesaver, offering multiple uses. Glide it over your carpet, and you'll notice the sock attracting dust, pet hair, and other small debris. No need for professional carpet cleaning. Plus, your carpet will regain its shine and smell fresh. Use this trick to clean walls, too. The soft texture of the sock makes it easy to remove cobwebs and dust from hard-to-reach spots. The broom with a sock is also perfect for cleaning floors, especially in tight corners. Thanks to the anti-static properties of fabric softener, dust won't settle as quickly. This simple, effective, and budget-friendly solution eliminates the need for expensive cleaning products or new tools. Throw a laundry pot into a bucket. This trick will give you floors so shiny and clean, you could eat off them. Your floor will finally sparkle like a mirror. Start by tossing a laundry pot into the bucket. Then add a handful of laundry scent beads. Pour hot water over these 2 ingredients. The pod will dissolve, and the beads will too, releasing a beautiful scent. This homemade cleaner is not only effective, but also smells amazing. Now pour everything into a second bucket. This step is crucial. Use one bucket to wring out the mop and the other for soaking it in clean water. This trick ensures your mop stays in clean water, making your floors cleaner than ever. Wash every room this way, and your floor will shine without any streaks or chemicals. Apply shaving foam to a broom. It turns out shaving foam has another brilliant use. Take a regular broom, which you probably already have at home, and apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. This prepared broom will be a lifesaver for elderly people or those with back problems. Simply turn the broom over and spread the foam on the tiles and shower cabin. The foam works like soapy lather with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it highly effective. Leave it for 15 minutes. After that, attach a microfiber cloth to the broom using a rubber band. This way, you can easily dry the cleaned areas without leaving streaks. You'll instantly notice that the tiles and toilets shine, and a pleasant fragrance fills the bathroom, lasting for several days after cleaning. The foam also cleans grout without the need for scrubbing. I sprinkle it on the old creaky floor. I bought it for a few pounds at the pharmacy. It solved the annoying problem of creaky panels. I wish I had known about this trick earlier. Over the years, wooden floors and panels start to come apart. Holes form under the boards, causing them to move. Walking on the old floor often produces unpleasant creaking. It turns out that these holes can be easily filled, the places where gaps or creaking appear. Generously sprinkle ordinary talcum powder. Sprinkle a lot so that it fills the holes. Sprinkle it along the seams of the boards, then press it in with your hand. It should get into the gaps in the floor. Repeat the process until the floor stops moving. Next, sweep off the excess talcum powder from the boards. This powder reduces friction between the floor elements. Talc is used in industry as a filling component. It is simple and safe to use. Finally, wipe the floor with a damp cloth to get rid of the white residue. And that's it. The panels no longer make a sound. I've never been so satisfied with my broom before. If you have a fine hairnet, place it over your broom. This fine mesh will make cleaning much easier. The broom will pick up even the tiniest dirt, and everything will stick to it like never before. This will turn your broom into the best broom in the world. All you need is a regular knee-high stocking or pantyhose sock. Slip it over the broom and start cleaning every corner of your home. A regular broom alone will never sweep as thoroughly as one with a pantyhose sock. Another trick is to stick clear tape to the bristles of the broom. This odd method really works. It's important to use wide tape. With this prepared broom, start sweeping. Hair, dust, and large debris will stick to the tape instead of getting tangled in the bristles. After cleaning, simply peel off the tape and throw it away. The tape collects dirt that a regular broom wouldn't be able to clean up. This method makes sweeping much more effective.